Digital is redefining everything, from the customer interactions to business models. Many manufacturers are moving to as-a-service, outcome-based business models that drive predictable revenue, but also a competitive advantage to acquiring new customers.
So much of the industry is changing based on a desire to lead to outcomes and to really help our own customers and our partnership with them at the highest of level at Johnson Controls, that transformation, delivering value as a service that's sticky, that's reoccurring, and really driving change for our biggest customers.
Our clients are actually continuing those transformations. They've also been looking at how they can use technology to augment the traditional talent-based service portfolio and using AI-based capabilities such as chatbots to mitigate the risk and the cost of talent attrition. And so the maturation and commercialization of things that are out there, serviceable devices, that is really leading to better service insight and ultimately a better customer experience, with customers getting more proactive aftermarket servicing before they actually need it.
That really makes that a very rich journey and actually uplifts the role of the service technician in a very interesting way, because they become truly conveyors of change and that outcome-based approach. So it's a huge opportunity both for transformation of the people, but also the tools that we enable them with to do that transformation and impact that customer in a big way.